nowhere. 30 goals in my mouth like I'm Stephen Curry.
What's up and what's going on YouTube? I am back with another vlog. I just came back from kickboxing classes, so right now I cannot feel my arms. Oh, like this arm right here is hurting. Can't feel my arm. I'm about to take a shower right now actually. So that's all I did today in the beginning. So basically right now I'm about to take a shower, change up, go to Payway, grab on some food, and then from there I'm gonna go to Ikea. So you can call this probably. Alright guys, now I'm all changed and I'm all ready. So I'm about to head out to Payway right now. I'm about to meet up with some one of my friends. I'm not sure if he was one of the vlogs. He was actually in that basketball vlog like a few vlogs ago. So yeah, I'm gonna go meet up with him. Get some Payway, and then from there I'm gonna head out to Ikea. So y'all already know the deal. And I'm actually not even gonna. Carlito, look who's back.
Hey, hello.
Back in the vlog.
What the fuck? Who the fuck was sitting here, nigga? This shit all the way up?
I don't know. Whoa! That's because they were washing the car like the other day, so nobody has sat there since.
Where's Leo at?
He's coming from his work, but it's raining like crazy over there, so that's why.
Yeah, it's buttering hard as fuck. Right into his house?
Alright guys, so basically we just finished eating food, and yes, we're going to Leonel's house to scoop up the car. I mean, to scoop him up.
Yo, what the fuck happened to the music?
I put on mute because they're going to copyright me, so. Alright, so right now we're going to head to Ikea. Wait, is my mic on? Yeah, it's on. Okay, so we're going to head to Ikea, and then with Carlos, and then from there with Leo and his girl, and then I'll pick up some shit for the room, and that's pretty much it for today. I'm not sure. I'm going to go watch a movie later. Yo, we should watch a movie later.
What movie?
You saw Baby Driver?
Yeah, I saw it already.
You saw,
Yeah, you brought it up at the restaurant.
Did I?
Yeah.
This restaurant?
Yes.
Okay. Damn, what's the other movie? I already saw Planet of the Apes. Alright guys, we just made it to Ikea with Mr. Leonel. Gang, 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 gang. You gotta do the Kai, the gang, gang, Kai. You gotta do it, bro. Alright, so basically what I'm picking up is a freaking night desk and also a TV stand. So I had to pick those two things up and then pretty much wrap it up and look around probably. Not sure. So yeah, basically that's it. And I'm gonna see what movie I want to watch. I already watched Planet of the Apes the other day. Is this even a seat? It is a seat. Dang. So I'm gonna do that right now, but we're in Ikea, so we lit. The game. Oh, okay. Gang. Carlito. Oh. There we go the other way. Yo, that couch looks straight for like I can fit it in my room. That shit is mad hard though. Oh, it's time for a change. See, I need like a desk, like a very. Gotcha, man.
When you look at like visually, if you would walk on the floor, you wouldn't
Damn, bro. I need to find.
good shit. I want mine like this.
With the flag? Oh.
Out of here.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the hat.
Yeah. Just like that.
We gotta keep going your shit on, man.
I'm trying.
I'm trying to grow mine's out, look. Look, I got hair right here, look.
Hi.
Okay. Okay.
You see? Alright.
While we rushing up, like, sientes un rato?
Yo, I'm done, bro.
Vamos a ver.
Wait, I want to sit on a little.
Yo, like, this couch looks straight, bro. It looks so tiny. Whoa. Man, that girl look thick AF. No sé si voy para abajo, para arriba. Oh.
Take out a book. You have a book.
Oh shit.
Day at work or something?
Where you just come from? You look like a Dominican journalist.
Explico.
Wait, hold on. I got you.
Yo. This isn't even in English.
These are cool. I want them for the class.
Yo. It's not that paper food.
Very intelligent.
And then we like switch it up.
Yeah, like off in New York for real.
This shit is like recoge eso por ahí en diablo.
Yeah, I feel like that's what your grandma would say, bro.
I like that.
Yeah, like something simple like that.
I just don't like them because they're low riders. And like my back hurts.
He's about to say, oh, Brian can get that.
Damn, it was mine.
My mom was thinking about doing one of those.
The looks you be getting.
Hay que trabajar, muchachos.
Yo, you need to work for Pero. Like, have you seen them on Facebook?
No.
The two Dominicans are mad.
Oh, yeah.
They're hilarious.
Pero like,
Oh, alright, here we go.
that's the name?
Yeah, it's called Pero Light on Facebook. And there's like different. They make like little series of.
I need something smaller or bigger.
And they all have. Yeah, it's like I work everywhere.
Oh. Yeah, they changed everything.
They be making like Dominicans trying to identify like put that on Facebook.
Alright, this is the one I wanted to get. Carlos, your Xbox.
No.
I get you.
Oh, the one you fucking burnt in your room? Oh.
Long story, huh?
Coño.
I didn't burn it on purpose, bro. Alright, so I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna get that one. I'm gonna get that one. That small one.
Write it down.
Yeah, I already took a picture of it. Yeah, this would be straight, bro.
This one?
Nah, nigga, this shit. Oh, shit.
What do you have this?
Like, right in front of my bed. So no sé si voy para abajo, para arriba. Yeah, I can give it back to you.
Is half of that 79?
No, just, yeah, these are like 79.
It's nice.
But I want to get like I want to get a 50-inch, so like, will that fit?
You want it on the actual table?
Yeah. That won't fit, right?
Because look, that's a little bit off the corner.
I mean, if it hangs out, it's also alright. It hangs out a bit because, like, you know, it has this shit.
Depends what
Yeah,
you
yeah, I know.
have. Like, if it's this one, you're gonna be fucked. You have to have the ones that are like to stay on the table and the size of it.
That one looks actually looks longer, or is it just me? That one.
The what?
That
No,
TV
it's
stand.
just because it's over here.
I'm trying to see. Because remember my bed is high. Like this one will be straight, but it's too low. I need something like so much is this shit? Y esta vaina cuánto cuesta? This is 160. That looks a lot better than yeah, I'm gonna take, yeah, exactly. Let's take it. That shit, because I have the other shelf that's like around the same. So yeah, the Lapland, yeah, 159, which is not bad. So I got either that one, or yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's gonna be the options for now. Oh, there's more over here. That one looks pretty lit. That shit's 230. Gang, gang. I have to see. Yeah. This one doesn't look that bad either. Oh, this one's. Oh. Okay, on sale here, so look at that. 251. This is like taking off the tax. This is not bad though. I can put the box right here and shit.
What box?
Like the receiver box, or like some shit like that, or like. Yeah, I have a segment of this man just popping up shit, popping up on the camera. Yo, they have like a locker, like a red locker. That looks pretty dope.
None of these are in English, bro. None of them.
You can put your stuff in there, bro.
Una vitrinita, like old people.
Yeah.
Like little trinkets.
I put my shoes in there.
Oh my god.
There's like a red locker, I think, but I don't know where it is.
I need me a crib, bro.
Yeah, I moved down to Florida then.
Okay?
You have to move down to Florida.
With my card, it comes out to 59, not 80.
Oh, the family card thing?
Yeah. It's free to join, and then when there's like eat for 3 days, you get to eat for free.
Oh, so I can join today?
Yeah, it's free.
It's not like a credit card or anything, right?
It's not rewards. There's 20% off.
Oh shit, I'm gonna look at the desk and see what we got. I need some simple shit, bro. I need something simple, but black color, not black color.
Thank you. This is the Mickey. Wouldn't be my kids. Oh, I don't like this.
Like, bitch, I'm drowning.
Every time I get down, I'm like out of breath.
Oh, focus. I want to get like another like thing for my wall. Like I'm drowning. What's up? What's up? What's up? But I'm drowning. Oh, salud. So I kind of found what I needed. So now I gotta go get that shit and put it in the car. Oh my god, I'm tired already. Kickboxing, not walking around Ikea. That should be tiring. Yeah, cause Leo, bro. Leo's like this. Look, he's walking. He's like this. Look, he's walking like this. Look, he's walking like this.
Like what?
These are smirking like out of nowhere. How's it go? You are salmon, bro. How's it go?
I don't fucking know.
He's like, oh, fucking salmon, bro. Say it, bro. Carlos, say it.
Carlos, hey,
Say it.
the salmon.
What's that?
This is like a saying. You gotta say it, bro.
You gotta say it with like your
The
mouth.
fucking salmon, bro.
You gotta say it. Like, get off fucking salmon, bro.
Tranquilo que te voy a un putazo.
Oh, where is this one? Poland.
Bet you this is
You have to
Sweden.
Italy. Poland.
Poland. Hey, what you talking about?
Guys, this is probably not even Poland. It's Sweden. Oh, this is right here. This is Sweden too. This is Almahut.
What?
Almahut. No, where did Leo go?
Preciosos. Beautiful, right? Sweden. So nice.
Bitch, I'm drowning. Alright, we're gonna have to. Ooh, that one's pretty dope. Oh, those paintings are those things are nice.
Lasers.
This one's dope.
Hey, I don't keep it white and black. Only say I love you just so I can hear it back sometimes. Other times I love to have you back.